I love delivering great mangoes for consumers. Coles and Mambaloo mangoes work on quality together, providing really healthy food that also tastes great. It makes me feel like I'm doing something worthwhile. My name's Marie Piccone. I'm the owner of Mambaloo Farms, and we grow mangoes. I was a consultant in the horticultural industry for many years, and 3 mango plantations came up for sale here in Katherine in the Northern Territory. And I thought, gee, maybe we can buy these. My farms are located across Northern Australia. We start picking the end of September, and because we've got 3 different regions, we actually continue to pick until mid-March. It means the consumer can eat luscious Mambaloo mangoes from Coles for 5 months of the year. Every single mango is picked by hand. They are carefully selected according to maturity to make sure that what we're picking will ripen and taste really great. My Italian grandmother used to do some traditional recipes, and one was a dessert called zuppa glacé. It's a little bit like a trifle. The variation I've done is add mango into each layer on top of the sponge. With that luscious mango, people rave about it. When people eat Mambaloo mangoes, I want it to be a great eating experience. They should end up with a big smile on their face. Mambaloo works really closely with Coles. It's an absolute collaboration. Collectively, we call ourselves Team Mango. Mangoes are a destination product. When consumers find a really good mango, they'll keep going back to that same place. We believe we've got a lot of happy Coles customers out there because they keep coming back and buying more and more mangoes.